This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering everything you need: the Xbox 360, a Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable, and an active router or modem. Once you have them, power off the console. This reduces startup errors when hardware is connected. Next, plug one end of the Ethernet cable firmly into the Xbox Ethernet port on the back and the other into an open LAN port on your router. Make sure connections click, otherwise you may not get a link light or network signal. Once done connecting the cable, power the Xbox back on and go to System Settings, then Network Settings. Select the wired network option so the console will use the Ethernet link you just made. Now run the test Xbox live or configure the IP settings. Typically you choose Automatic, which lets your router assign an IP address via DHCP. If your network uses a static IP, enter the specific address, gateway, and DNS values. This prevents conflicts and ensures stable. To finish, run the network connection test and check your NAT type. An open or moderate NAT is ideal for multiplayer. If the test fails, make sure the cable is fully seated and observe the router port LEDs for activity, because a dark port often means no physical link. Next, power cycle the router and Xbox. This clears temporary network state. If problems persist, swap cables or try another LAN port before diving into advanced router configuration, which can introduce new variables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.